What if I told you you can increase your store's revenue by up to 15% with a single click? Would you do it? Introducing ReConvert 3.0, one-click post-purchase upsell funnels and a thank you page builder. The funnels are 100% customizable, but you can set it up with a single click with our Magic Designer, which automatically fits your brand's look and feel. Smart AI recommendations engine, and automatic discount distribution to optimize profits based on your preferences. This is what it looks like to you. This is what it looks like to your customers. And this is what it looks and feels like in your store. Analyzing dozens and thousands of stores for the past 3 years, we've created simple yet powerful funnels that automatically fit your store's look and feel. Personalize the experience for every shopper and squeezes the most out of your customers. We make sure to meet the needs of every merchant with our advanced segmentation system. ReConvert was built by merchants for merchants. Get started with our visual funnel builder. Segment your funnel. Add upsells and downsells and AI product recommendations. Continue with our intuitive offer editor. And finish up with our drag and drop thank you page editor. Add product upsell offers in 3 different layouts. AI-powered product recommendations, timers, order tracking widgets, social sharing widgets, collect customer birthdays, conduct post-purchase surveys, add videos, text, images, and much more. With ReConvert one-click upsell, customers can add products to their order with a single click without having to re-enter their payment details. Are you on Shopify Plus? Great! With ReConvert, you can upsell customers during checkout using our advanced visual checkout editor. New store? No worries. The app is 100% free if you have less than 50 orders per month, with an average ROI of over 4,000%. 24/7 live chat support, video tutorials, advanced analytics and reporting, powerful integrations, one-click setup, and a 30 days free trial. Why won't you give it a try?